Hello everyone, 大家好. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ting. Today's topic: does Chinese people really say "How are you"? I guess some of my followers, you already have your answer. So today I'm gonna show how Chinese people greeting each other.
你好，王店长吗？我是徐文昌。
你好，我是王思锦，幸会。
幸会。
So this is a first, and it's a formal situation. And we only greeting people with a 你好. 你好. It's enough. 我是徐文昌. 我是 I am. 徐文昌, a Chinese name. 徐 surname. 文昌 given name. In this formal situation, we have to introduce my full name. So surname goes first, then given name, like Xu Wenchang. Okay, then have you noticed the last word? 幸会. 幸会. It's a formal word. It means glad to see, glad to meet. So glad to meet you. 幸会. 幸会. Now let's see the second video.
我是许潇潇。
我是曲筱绡。我是曲筱绡 the same like before. 我是 I am. 曲筱绡 a Chinese name. 曲 is a surname. 筱绡 is a given name. So surname goes first, then given name. 曲筱绡。我是曲筱绡. So I am 曲筱绡。
我是许潇潇。今天我新搬过来。
今天我新搬过来。今天我新搬过来。That means today 我 I 新 new 搬过来 move here. It just means I'm new here. 今天我新搬过来。今天我新搬过来。
以后我们就是邻居了，多多关照哦。你好，我叫邱莹莹。
以后我们就是邻居了。以后我们就是邻居了。So later on, we will be neighborhood. 多多关照哦，多多关照哦。多 more 关照 care more care me. 多多关照 is just a signal that I hope we will get along with each other. After 2 videos, you might find out, oh, Chinese people do not say how are you. No, we don't say how are you because it not match Chinese culture. So my question is, instead of how are you, what do we say? So first, casual way. We may always use the most basic greeting, which is 你好 to greeting people. So 你好, 你好. If you want to say hello to one person, 你好. But what about a group of people? We say 你们好. 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 Or the group is quite big. Then we say 大家好. 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 And there is one more important sentence we can always say, glad to meet you. And in Chinese, it's gonna be 很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。你好，你好，你好，你好，很高兴认识你。So when you meet friends or classmates, you can always say 你好，很高兴认识你。Second, a bit formal situation. If you will meet your teacher or your boss, instead of to say 你好, we have a better saying. We say 老师好. 老师好. Your boss, 老板好. 老板好. So instead of 你好, we tend to greeting people with the address 老师 or 老板. Again, we say 老师好 or 老板好. This is the proper way to greeting in Chinese. So, for example, before you enter the classroom, you met your teacher, then you just say 老师好 or 老师早，老师早 morning teacher. Before you enter office, you met your boss in the elevator. You may say 老板早，老板早，老板早。Last one, you met your neighbor, and this is not the first meeting. So, for example, your neighbor approach you from the corridor, then you may say 出去啊，出去啊。Are you leaving? Are you going outside? 出去啊。The answer gonna be 是啊，去超市。是啊，去超市。Yes, I'm going to the market. Or sometimes the answer even shorter. 出去啊，哎，出去。出去啊，哎，出去。That's it. After a long day, you met your neighbor in the corridor. It's kind of weird if you don't say anything. So we just say 回来啦，回来啦，回来啦。Oh, you back. The answer is super short. We just repeat it. 哎，回来了。哎，回来了。Let's recap today's video. The most basic one, we can always say 你好，你好 to greeting people. A group of people, we may always say 你们好，你们好。If the group is quite big, we may say 大家好，大家好，大家好。If you met friends or classmates, you can say 很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你，很高兴认识你。A bit formal way, you can say like our video, 幸会，幸会，幸会。Last one, met your neighbor, 出去啊，出去啊。or 回来啦，回来啦。So this is today's video. I just want to show you some practical sentence while the culture talking. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. More culture talking are on the way. If you like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you again. Bye!